Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let us cook breakfast together. So I have 3 eggs, onion, 1 potato, coriander, carrot, and of course my favorite spice, cinnamon, salt to taste, and of course cooking oil. You cut it into small pieces. Then we grate our potato. And the carrot. Adding onions, carrot, and potato. Mix them like so. Yeah, you see how it's look like? It should be look like that. Time to cook. Heat my pan, add cooking oil, add cooking oil, turn and cook the other side till golden brown. Almost done. Wow. It's very yummy. So guys, try this recipe and thank me later. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye bye. Yummy. Eat.
Mommy? Mama?
Yes, baby.
Yes. Jojo. Hi.
Say bye bye. Say hi, guys.
Bye.
Bye bye. Welcome to my YouTube.
I
Say
love
hi.
you, Mommy.
Say hi, guys.
Welcome, Mommy.